First standard Maths Chapter 10 Day and Night. Hi students, welcome to the Maths class. Today we are going to learn day and night in chapter 10. Now look outside. What do you see in the sky, kids? Yes, sun. Okay, sun gives us light. Okay, sun gives us light. We can see everything because of sunlight. Okay, kids? During the night time, we can see stars and moon. Can we count the stars? No, we can't. There are so many stars in the sky. Can you guess where did they go during the daytime? So, day and night are different from each other. Okay. When do you wake up, kids? You wake up in the morning. Wake up in the morning. When do you have lunch? You have lunch in the afternoon. Okay. When do you play? When do you go to the park? Yes, in the evening. So, day has 3 parts. Okay, morning, afternoon and evening. Okay, morning, afternoon and evening are the 3 parts of the day. Okay, kids? When the sun rises, we say it is morning. Usually, the day is bright and warm. During the day, the sky looks blue. After the morning comes the afternoon. Evening is the last part of the day. It comes after the afternoon. Night is dark and cool. We can't see the sun in the sky at night. We can see the moon and the stars. Now, look at the morning sky. Wow, it looks orange-red. This is because of sunrise. We wake up in the morning, brush our teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast and go to school. These are the morning activities. In the afternoon, the sun shines very brightly. It is difficult to look at the sun at noon. We can see the sun above us in the sky. Then it is warm outside. Then in the school, we study and play. In the afternoon, we have lunch. How does the sky looks in the evening? Wow, the sky looks orange-red. This is because of sunset. Do you play in the evening, kids? Yes, I play in the evening and watch TV for some time, then do my homework. These are the evening activities. At night, I have dinner with my family members. I brush my teeth and go to bed. These are night activities. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Shall we do one activity, kids? Now, see here. This is a candle and this is a globe. Okay? The candle is a sun. The globe is the miniature of earth. Miniature means very small of its kind. Model of earth. Okay? Now, listen here. The light is falling on the front side of the earth. Okay? That is day. Now, see the other side. That is not get sunlight. That is night. Okay? Now, I rotate the globe. Okay? Now, this side gets sunlight. Okay? This is day. Now, see the other side. Okay? That is not get sunlight. That is night. So, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Okay, kids? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next class. Bye bye, kids.